Hey YouTube family, welcome back to my channel. Today I will have a video where I will be discussing a subscription box, but this is not any subscription box. This is a monthly subscription box where the products are all beauty items that are vegan, which means that they should be healthier for your skin. Okay, so this company, as you guys know from my Journey to Natural video, if you guys haven't seen it, I will link it below. I'm really trying and I'm on a mission to try to find more healthier products for my skin, in terms of foundation, in terms of lip products, eyeliners, everything. Even the foundation that I'm wearing today is a foundation that I'm testing out from 100% Pure, which is a fruit pigmented foundation. So I'm testing that out today to see how I like it. But I'm on a mission to try to find more healthier alternatives to my skincare routine, because in the long run I want to have healthier skin that will just look radiant without makeup. So in my research I discovered this company and it's called VeganCuts. And they have a monthly subscription box, which I purchased. This is not a sponsored video, but in the monthly subscription box, they basically send you products that are vegan friendly and healthier for your skin. Now, the subscription box, I believe, is $14.99 a month. If that's not correct, I'll put the price right below. But it is $14.99 a month, and that includes shipping for the products. And I got my first box. Now, I'm going to be honest. I'm not going to be like, oh, it's my first time opening this box. I don't know what's inside. No, okay? I have a bad habit and obsession where when I order things, I stock them until I get them. Like, once I get that tracking number, I am checking and checking every day until I get it. And as soon as that package arrives to me, I open it immediately. There is no hesitation. There is no wait. So I already opened it. I didn't try the products, but I already opened it, so no surprises there. But I really wanted to share this with you guys so that you guys will have more options, more healthier alternatives for your skincare routine. And the products that I do find in here, I will definitely go ahead and review them if you want further review or further detailed reviews on each individual product. Alright, enough talking. Let's see what's in my VeganCuts box this month for the month of October. This is how it's packaged inside. I did save the original packaging, like that. It comes with the usual card, which tells you which products are inside. And let's see the products that I got. Okay, number 1, Jersey Shore Cosmetics. So that will be this one right here. So this is a Radiant Gold Leaf Highlighter. So it's from the company called Jersey Shore Cosmetics. It's the gold leaf highlighter to illuminate your skin with real gold leaf flakes. So basically, this is a highlighter. This is what it looks like. Let's open it up. There you go. Let's swatch it on my hand. Now, I know how to apply basic makeup, but all the intricacies of highlight, contour, all of that, I'm not too good with it, honestly. I did attempt to highlight, you know, this area and down here like they do in the videos, but I don't know how it goes. I don't know if I like it. I don't think I like it too much, but let's swatch this one. Can you see that little shimmer? Some more. There you go. So why not? Let's add some highlight. I guess it's where they put it, I think, from watching these YouTube videos. Huh. Okay. Alright, so I applied some. Don't want to do too much. Next thing I'll be lighting up the sky. Miss the highlight brush. It smells nice. It smells really nice. It smells like, I don't know, it smells really nice. Okay. Let me know what you guys think. So, that's how it is. So let's read some of the ingredients in this product. Organic castor oil, candelilla wax, organic cocoa butter, organic shea butter, organic coconut oil, organic argan oil, organic orange essential oil, organic aloe vera, organic lime essential oil, titanium dioxide, iron oxide, mica, and gold leaf. All right, so far so good. I like this product. Next up, number 2 is Luxe Beauty Brush. Okay, which is this product right here. So this is basically a makeup brush. Really nice light pale pink color. It's angled, really soft bristles. Maybe this is to use to add highlight. Let's try and see. I don't know. Like I said, I'm not a makeup artist, you guys, so I just follow along what I see on the YT per se. But this is really, really soft. I have to find a use for this one, but it is really, really soft. So let's see, let's read about it. Luxe or Luxie Beauty angled makeup brush for precise application while experimenting with new looks. So it doesn't say exactly what it's for, but it's an angled brush. And that's that. Okay, so that's 2 items so far. Number 3, the Ariel Company. And that is this one right here. It's a little bottle of, I believe it's a hair product. And it is in a Ziploc baggie to keep it from, I guess, spilling in transport. So, it says, let's read from here. The Ariel Company, natural and organic hair mask to enhance your alluring mermaid locks. Yes, these mermaid locks right here. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Direction says, apply evenly to dry hair. Leave on for at least 30 minutes for best results. Rinse well with cold water. Shampoo 1 to 2 times as desired and condition as usual. So basically, this is before you wash your hair. You put this on for a few minutes, and then you wash your hair after, and it's supposed to help your hair. So I'll definitely try this. It smells really good. I'm not good at describing scents, you guys, but it is really, really good. It's very light, and it's a very light fruit, not a strong fruit like a strawberry, but it's a very light watermelon kind of really light fruity scent. Let's see the ingredients. Ingredients: coconut oil, kiwi nut oil, castor oil, grapeseed oil, avocado oil, and natural fragrance. And that is it. So this will be interesting to try. On my next wash day, what I might do is put this on the night before and then sleep with it overnight and wash my hair and see what results it gives me. But this is interesting. So this is product number 3 from the Ariel Company. Okay, product number 4 is this one right here. Okay, let's work on the pronunciation. This is the word. B-E-U-R-R-E. Beauty. But basically it's a shea butter body cream. Pure, natural, and rich. The ingredients in this are unrefined shea butter, grapeseed oil, jojoba oil, vitamin E, rice powder, lichen, purified water, essential oil, grapefruit seed extract, and that is it. Okay, this is what the product looks like. It has a very strong shea butter scent, so if you're not familiar and if you don't like that shea butter scent, it's not for you, but it has a very strong shea butter scent. Now let's, it's really, I thought it would be more firm. It's really has a very moussey kind of, like a moussey kind of, like a mousse consistency. Something similar to like maybe pudding. Let's see. Really nice. Very nice. So it has a very high shea butter scent. I don't really care much for shea butter scent, but you can always mask that with something else. But the product itself seems really smooth and really creamy. on my skin just from the first impression of me just trying it just now. But it seems really nice and smooth. So far so good. Alright, so that was the 4th product. The 5th product is this lip balm right here from the company called October Fields. And it says original lip balm, plant-based ingredients, exceptional moisture. Let's see, the ingredients in this one are vegetable wax, cocoa butter, jojoba oil, sweet almond oil, pumpkin seed oil, raw, unrefined, no GMOs, no parabens, no phthalates, fragrance, or preservatives. See, this one is the only thing I can try on for you guys right now. Doesn't really have a scent to me at all. It's just a basic lip balm. But I'm already wearing a lip color, so this might have to wait. But interesting. And the 6th and last product is called True Moringa. It's like a body oil kind of thing. Once again, in another nice little baggie to help with spillage during transportation. But let's see if we can get it out of the baggie. Okay. So this is... Moringa is a truly miracle tree. It's oil seeds rich It's oil seeds rich in antioxidants, add radiance and shine to hair and skin. Let's smell it. So basically this is the oil for body or hair. Really pepperminty. And it's called True Moringa. So this card says the peppermint body oil that will deeply hydrate your skin from the inside out. So this is really interesting. Can't wait to try this. It has a very strong peppermint scent to it, so really cool. Can't wait to try that. So that's the entire 6 products that I received so far. I'm really, really excited to try this hair product right here because, and the highlighter, I put it on. I'm not sure if you can, I can see it a little bit right there, but let me know if you guys can see it. This one seems pretty cool also. But that's it, you guys. Inside there's just some cute little cardboard paper thing. We also have coupons inside. Yeah, coupons to purchase the full value of the items from their website. So that is it for my first ever VeganCuts box. It says curated with love by VeganCuts.com. And this is so cute. It says no bunny was harmed in the making of this box. Aww. If you guys want to see me do a full detailed review on any of the products that you saw me show you in this video, let me know in the comment section and I will definitely try to get that done for you. But I'm really excited to get next month's box, and it's still October and I just got this one. But any questions about this box, leave it in the comment section. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. And that is it, you guys. But really, thank you for watching and commenting and just really supporting my videos for the last few weeks. I really, really appreciate it. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you. And like I said in all my videos, enjoy your journey, and I really mean it. Enjoy your journey. I'm gone.